Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use the AK Pigment Fixer. So this is perfect. I've got this corrosive sword coming along here and I want to fix it before I then varnish it, and then I can do some shipping effects with it. The reason you do the fixer after is just to give it a coat so then the dustiness stays, but a lot of it goes. And it means you can, what word to use, you can be guaranteed more of the effects you're going to have. So you want a nasty old brush. I've got this nasty old one that's just